Welcome back dear students. So in our today's video we will start a lesson playing with numbers. So first of all we will see how to write a number in a generalized form. So writing a number in a generalized form. For example, suppose we have any two-digit number like 57 is there. So this 57 you can write in expanded form as 10 into 5 plus 7. If you have 80, how can you write? You can write 10 into 8 plus 0. That is, this is on unit place, this is on tens place. In the same way, if you have three-digit number, you can write it is unit place, tens place and hundred place. So 100 multiplied by 1 plus 10 multiplied by 2 plus 5. So these are the numbers we can express in expanded form using the place values of the digits at the various position of the number. So in general, any two-digit number we can express as AB. So any two-digit number we will express as AB, where this is not A into B. It is a format as 10A plus B, which is nothing but this B as the unit place and this A as a tens place. So any two-digit number can be write in a generalized form as AB, where this A is at tens place 10A plus B. And you can say A is any digit from 1 to 9. And you can say B can be any digit from 0 to 9 at ones place. This is a tens place and this is a ones place. In the same way, we can represent any three-digit number in a generalized form as A, B, C, where A is at 100 place, B is at tens place and C is at ones place, or you can say unit place. So 100A plus 10B plus C, this is a generalized form of any three-digit number. Again, you have A any digit from 1 to 9 and B and C are any digit from 0 to 9. So AB is any digit, any two-digit number, and its reverse if you take will be BA. Like if you example is there, if you have 47, then its reverse will be 74. And if three digit is there, ABC, then its reverse will be, middle digit will be as it is, just will interchange this C with A. It is gonna be CBA. For example, if you have 125, so if you reverse this number, you will get here, this 2 will be as it is, 521. So any two-digit number like 10A plus B, if you reverse, what we'll do, we'll exchange their digits. It become 10B plus A. So AB become BA if you reverse it. So this is a reverse number, this is a original number. And let me clear this, AB is not A into B. So now we will move towards our exercise. First question is, the sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 9 and the number is 6 times the unit digit. We have to find the number. So dear students, we have just now have seen that any two-digit number we can represent as a AB. So we'll start solution by let two-digit number is AB. So suppose that this two-digit number is AB, where we know that this A is at tens place 10A plus B, B is at ones place. And as per our situation conditions given that the sum of digits is 9. Sum of digit means that 2 digits are there. So a plus b is gonna be 9. We'll make equation number 1 here. The number is 6 times the unit digit. So the number, this number 10a plus b is 6 times unit digits. So at unit digit we have b. So we'll write as 6b. Number is 6 times its unit place. We'll solve this equation. 10a plus b, this minus 6b will bring here equal to 0. Here like terms we will subtract. Here it is 1 coefficient is minus 6. We'll get a minus 5b is equal to 0. Now we'll simplify this equation. We can solve it by dividing both the side by 5. To this equation I am gonna divide both the side by 5 because here 5's multiples are there, it can simplify. So 10a by 5 minus 5b by 5 is equal to 0 by 5. Here 5 ones are and 2's are. So 2a minus b is equal to 0. We got equation 2. So a plus b is 9 and 2a minus b is equal to 0. We have a 2 equation with us. We want to find out the number. It is like a puzzle question, okay? So in order to get, we need to solve this equation number 1 and equation number 2. So if we see carefully, if I add this equation 1 and 2, if I add, what I'll get? A plus b is equal to 9, 2a minus b is equal to 0. If I will add it, vertical I am gonna add like terms. 2a plus 1a is 3a, and this plus b minus b will cancel each other. 9 plus 0 will get 9. So here a is equal to 9 by 3. Therefore a is equal to 3. We got our a. A is whatever tens place digit we got. Now we want to find out a b. So we'll put this a is equal to 3 in any equation. Suppose I will put in equation number 1. So we have equation number 1, a plus b is equal to 9. We'll keep a's value here. So b is equal to, we'll get 6. Therefore friends, AB, our original number we got, that is this a is 3 and this 6, 36. So required number is 36. We got a required number is 36 and its reverse will be 63. So first of all, what we have done, we have made equations according to the given conditions. After getting 2 equations, we will choose either to divide, either to subtract or add. Then any one variable will get, then we'll keep that variable value in other equation, and then we'll get both the digits. So now moving to the next question, we have next question, the sum of number of 2 digits and the number formed by reversing the digit is 110. The difference of the digit is 6. Find the number. So we'll again start. Let 2 digit number is AB. And we want a reverse also. So its a reverse will be BA. AB is what friends here? 10A plus B, and reverse will be 10B plus A. And the sum of the number of 2 digits and the number formed by reversing is 110, and the sum of these two is 110 according to equation 1. So this is nothing but the situation which is given here. The sum of number and the number formed by reversing is 110. We'll add the like terms. 10A plus A is 11A. 10b plus b is 11b. Nothing is there means by default 1 is coefficient. Now to RHS and to LHS, we'll divide by 11 in order to simplify it on both sides. So this part we'll do in mind, that 11 by 11 will get us simply A, 11 by 11 will get a 1 B, and 110 by 11 is 10. So this is the equation number 1. Now we want one more equation which is there. The difference of the digit is 6. Difference is 6. This will be the equation number 2. After getting equation 1 and 2, we have to watch it carefully that what we can do, add or subtract. So if I subtract it, you can get A's cancel, and if I add this, B's can cancel. It's depend on us. You add 1 and 2 equations. So if I add equation 1 and 2, we'll get A plus A, 2A, and plus B minus B, cut, cancel each other. 10 plus 6 will get a 16. So A is equal to 16 by 2, which is nothing but 8. So A's value we get a 8. Now this A's value will put in any equation to get the B. So put A is equal to 8 in any equation. Like I will put in equation 1. Equation 1 is A plus B is equal to 10. In place of A, I am keeping 8 here. So B is equal to 10 minus 8. We'll get a 2. We got A also, B also. So required number is AB, which is nothing but 82. And reversed number is BA, which is nothing but 28. So now children, the next question is, a certain number between 10 and 100 is 8 times the sum of its digit, and if 45 is subtracted from it, digits will be reversed. Find the number. So again, we don't know what the number, we know that number is in between 10 and 100, means it will be 2-digit number, is AB. So according to the situation and condition, a certain number is 8 times. So the number is what? 10A plus B is equal to 8 times sum of its digits, that is 8 into A plus B. We will solve this equation. 8 is outside of the bracket, distributive law will multiply it inside. Now we'll add or subtract minus 8A plus B, and this is minus 8B. So here we'll get a 2A minus 8 minus 1, we'll get a minus 7B is equal to 0. This will be equation number 1. And if 45 is subtracted from it means from the original number, if we subtract 45, digits will be reversed. Reverse means it will be 10B plus A. 45 is subtracting from this digit, reverse number you will get. So again we'll solve it. 10A plus this plus A will bring here, it become minus A, minus 10B, and this 45 will shift it there. 9A minus 9B is equal to 45. Now on both sides we divide by 9. So 9 by 9 is A minus B is equal to 9 5s or 45. This is equation number 2. So if you now see equation 1 and 2, we cannot cancel A's or B's because here coefficient is here 2 and here coefficient is 1. Here 7 and here only 1. So in order to make first coefficient equal, we can choose either A's coefficient to multiply here or B's coefficient to multiply here, so that we can cancel. So I am choosing here A's coefficient 2 to multiply here. Multiply by 2 on both sides. So 2 into A minus B is equal to 2 into 5. 2A minus 2B is equal to 10. So this will be your equation number 3rd. Now I will subtract equation 1 and 2. sorry 1 and 3. Equation 1 is 2a minus 7b is equal to 0, and equation 3 is 2a minus 2b is equal to 10. We will subtract. Plus 2a minus 2a cancel, and in subtraction signs will change. Minus 7 plus 2 will get a minus 5b is equal to minus 10. So minus 10 upon minus 5. B is 2. Now we want A's value. So A's value will keep in equation 2. Put B is equal to 2 in equation number 2. A minus B is equal to 5. Minus 2 is equal to 5. So B is equal to 5 plus 2. We got a so here A is 7. So required number is AB. A is 7 and this B is 2. 72 is required number.